Hello, party people. It is I, Randy. I am just here with a little tidbit today. I know I haven't done a recorded video in what seems like a million years. By the time you guys see this, I'll probably be on my vacation for Christmas. But I ordered some grab bags from Vintaj, and I just wanted to open them with you guys so we could talk about it and share. So I don't quite remember the entirety of the order, but we're going to take a look. So this is from Vintaj. We're going to go down to the mat, and we're just going to take a little look-see at these together. Now, in true Randy fashion, there might be some hubbub going on because Jefferson's about ready to make it home from work, and he doesn't know I'm live, so just FYI on that. I just went and collected all my mail. I actually got quite a few bead boxes and things, and I'm just like, oh, we're doubling up. We're doubling up on the Vintaj. I have not made an order from Vintaj in quite a minute, so I'm excited. And I think, if I recall right, maybe they'll give me like a paper or something, because I don't remember what. There's no paper. Okay. There's no order paper of any sort. So, I don't remember how much this costs, and I don't know. They didn't give me any information. So, we're just going to take a little look at it. I think, okay, actually, wait a minute. I think I'm remembering. So, because I got multiples of some of these, because this is the opal enchantress pendant design mix. So these were mixes that were on sale. So I had multiples of these because I think they were like 75% off. So they all should be the same. They're not necessarily like, I'm pretty sure they're the same. Well, these ones are. And then these were mixes. Okay, so I'm starting to remember. So these were not like all random mixes. I did pick them out, and I ordered multiples of a few of them. I think because they were cheap was the deal, because they were 75% off. So, we shall see what we got going on. So these should all be the same, is what they're telling me. So this is the Enchantress Opal Mix. Just see what's in there. Okay, so we got some little earring rings. Got one of these little guys. Some different jump rings. These look like citrine doings. I think these are acrylic. Some glass. Some of these jump rings look like they are patina painted. Some of them are not. Just kind of looks like some check glass. So it looks like pears. Here we have some swans. I believe these are swans. And then we got a little bit of citrine, and I think the deal is like you could do earrings, or you could do a little pendant necklace if you wanted. However, I do have multiple packs, so I would end up with a couple of these if I did want to do earrings with them. So it does look like they're pretty similar as far as, oh, what's this guy? He's supposed to, oh, he glues on there. Got a little opal that glues on there. So at some point in time, they must have been making a certain specific thing with this, is what I can imagine. And then they had some left over, and they wanted to sell them off, so they put them on sale, is what I'm imagining. I don't know. It looks like, with all these jump rings, that maybe they were wire wrapping and doing like a necklace, and then maybe some little earrings, and then like connecting them with the jump rings. It's kind of what it looks like. everything in here looks to be the same. So there does not seem to be any new pieces. So these are the same, which is good because if I find something I want to make multiples of, then I can do that. So this is the Opal Empress pendant design. Oh yeah, it says on there, pendant design kit. So maybe not earrings. I don't know what they're doing with this. Maybe this hangs on there. To be determined. Anywho, so there's that one. I just like the components. So that was one of the smaller kits. And I want to say it was like $7, which is why I purchased it. Something to that effect. So there's this one. Then I got 2 of these. Now I want to say these ones were a lot more expensive. Again, they're supposed to be the same. I want to say this one, Ocean Floor Design Mix. If I remember right, I want to say it was $19 and basically $20, $19.99 or something. But I'm not 100% sure because I don't have my paperwork. I may have to look something up online. So there's this guy. This guy? I don't know if he's got a little bit of stuff going on there. All right, and comes with this little link. This is acrylic. This is already painted for me. These are also already painted for me. Got a little sea glass. Uh-oh, there's a little crystal in there we're gonna have to pop out. Got a little sea glass. This is cute. It says create. Another one. This one, little feather already painted. Cute little component. We've got a little turtle. I don't know, it looks like maybe they painted him. It's kind of rough on the top. Another one of those little acrylic guys. These are also acrylic. These little flowers. Got a little bit of check glass here. I don't know exactly what all we got. But we got 2 of everything, just in case we need it. So this is a kind of a cute little kit. I do want to say this one is a little bit more expensive than the other one. And this one does look like it has all the same things in there. But yeah, it's got a bunch of cute little components. I like this little turtle. It's super cute. To pop this out of there some kind of way without breaking it. But yeah. I don't know. I always get into a vintage mood in the winter. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because I think I have time. But there we go. So we got this one. So we have 2 of these. I get multiples when I do order from them, like especially these little kits and stuff, because, you know, sometimes I like to make bigger projects and I need more beads. These ones were also on sale, so I got multiples in case, but there's that. Now, these other 2 do not have multiples, and I think it's because these ones were more expensive. So this one is an actual surprise kit. The Sedona Sunrise Paint Party. Oh, no. I think they did show pictures of all of the components that were in here. But I could have swore one of these was going to be a surprise, but maybe not, because these look familiar. I can and I will. Love that. This bail's a little bit crooked, but that's fine. I like this little thing. Oh, that one's kind of way crooked. They got that one on there, way crooked. Might have to move that bad boy over something. So this is a little pendant. heart one. These are cute for just doing earrings or whatever. Which also would not be hard to make, but they're so cute. You could put your little arrows on there or whatever. We got this guy. So this is, you can put a little cabochon in there. I don't know that I have a cabochon this size. But there you go. Pre-painted little pieces. I don't mind pre-painted pieces, to be honest with you. And this little guy. I feel like this is kind of a layering piece. What is this? Some kind of stones. Maybe that's for your little earrings. And a ring. I don't remember any of this, although this fits me, which is amazing. So that's cool. So maybe this was a grab. I don't know. To be honest with you. But there you go. That's what we got in this one. Super cute. I only have one of this. One of this one. And then lastly, a limited upscale design mix. I think this might have been the first one I picked out. Limited upscale design mix. Oh, it's got seed beads. So here's this guy. It's got one hole over here. One here. Maybe that's for layering. I'm not sure. I'm sure they probably made stuff with these, so I could probably go online and look to see what exactly it is they made. But for the most part, I just bought them for the components because I like to have different components. So we got some acrylic components here, little leaves and drops. We've got some seed beads in green. Let's see, looks like one strand from the hank. Some more little acrylic pin, leaves. Got a little amethyst, double pointed amethyst pendant. Oh, something's beeping. I think Jeff took Lily out because he heard me talking to myself. Got a little feather. These guys are cute. Some little filigrees there. A heart. A little flower. I wonder if that's for like little piece of chain. They must have been making something. Well, what is this? They got these guys already done up. I think I remember, these ones are cute. I like these. I think I remember they were making a very, very big kind of intricate necklace I didn't necessarily care for, but I liked all the little pieces. Yeah, because look, it's got turtles. Little tiny turtles. It's got little flowers, or sorry, feathers. Which probably goes with this guy. Here's another one. Some more little, amethyst chunks. And some check glass. Green and purple, which is cute. Sorry, my mat's moving all over on us. This guy is acrylic. I don't really love that they're using a lot of these acrylic beads, especially for the price, but it is what it is, I guess. Put him this. So yeah, that's the last one. And let me see if I can't find my phone. Total on the order was $125, and then I used my discount because it was Black Friday, or sorry, Cyber Monday, and the total altogether was $62.50 for the all of these. So that's, I was like, yeah, that seems like a lot better, especially for like these little guys, you know. So there we go. That's what we got going on from Vintaj. Let me show you all those guys. So yeah. All right, guys. I hope you're having a lovely, spectacular, amazing beading day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.